Welcome to SolarGuy, where innovation meets expertise in solar energy. At SolarGuy, we are a team of professional engineers dedicated to turning your solar dreams into reality. Our mission is to provide top-notch engineering designs and consultancy services to ensure your solar PV projects are a success. With our expertise, we offer tailored solutions that maximize efficiency, performance, and return on investment. From initial design to final implementation, our team ensures every detail is meticulously planned and executed. We pride ourselves on our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Your success is our success. Join the growing number of companies benefiting from our expertise and watch your solar projects thrive. Our comprehensive range of services includes helioscope designs and simulations, solar panel layout diagrams, electrical wiring diagrams, PV syst simulation reports, solar permit documents for USA clients, 3D modeling, realistic 3D animations and shading analysis, and engineering consultancy. Ready to elevate your solar projects? Contact us today to learn how SolarGuy can bring your vision to life.